Anybody have any doubt on contacts?
No, sir.
No.
Everybody is sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So now my first question. Uh, can you people see my screen?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, why it is important when we are adding some contacts? Why it is important to do some research about that particular contact? Is it required or not required? If yes, then why? Surya sir,
Once again, tell me.
when we are adding a contact, why
Okay.
it is required to check about the contact on internet?
Not clear.
Anybody? Adhir?
Yes, sir. Actually, exactly. Can you repeat once again, sir? Because the voice is breaking. Yes, sir.
I am asking why it is required before adding a contact into the CRM, why it is required to do some research about that contact.
Okay. See, if you're adding somebody in the CRM, so
Hmm.
we need the details now, sir. We need his name, address, mobile number, email, and everything to fill up on the CRM.
Okay,
So once we get all the information, we fill up in the contacts and we update on the system, sir.
right. So how we can do this research? What are
In
the
there,
We,
process?
we
Yamuna,
have
we
to
have to
check
take
in
input.
Truecaller
yes.
also, sir. We have to check if their given mail ID and phone number is right or wrong.
How we can do that? What is the process? How we can do that?
We have to click add. Like add
Adhir,
new, and then we will fill up all the contents, now, sir.
Adhir, 1 minute. I am asking it to Yamuna, and my question is how we are going to conduct that research before adding that contact into the CRM.
We have to check his LinkedIn profile also, sir,
And
and Facebook.
see, the first and the best thing, it is checking their phone number. Everybody has a app, Truecaller,
Yes,
on
sir.
your
Just
phone,
I told you, no.
and you
We have to
can
check
check
in
it on
contact.
website as well.
Okay.
Like if I am talking about this particular lead, it is Himani I. This lead is from Just Dial, added on 31st May. Now, when we are doing, how we can do this? First, if we take this phone number, and if we do it on Truecaller, now see, the name is available, Himani Garg, correct?
Yes.
But instead of doing that, what we have written here, it is Himani I. So
Yes.
whoever is adding contact, it is very important that they should check the profile of the person before adding that contact into this. Now, you may ask me why it is important, correct?
Yeah.
Why it is important? So obviously that is a valid question. If we are giving a wrong name also, what is the difference? What make difference? Am I correct?
Yes.
Chalo. So let me check few clients' name. So this is a list of few existing clients, correct?
Yes.
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 Okay. Let's increase the number so we can have a bigger list. Now, if I am talking about this client, Sam Ratan AP 00682, right? I am considering this client. Now see here. You can see the name.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the name it is showing here?
Sam Ratan.
It is saying full name Sam Ratan AP 00682.
Yes.
First name Sam Ratan, last name AP 00682.
Yes.
Okay, now if I update the data, what will happen? Definitely something need to be happen there. Okay. So let's consider I am putting Sam is his first name and Ratan is his last name.
Okay.
Okay. Now I save this. It is saved. Managed by Shailaja. Now, once it is updated, what is going to happen? Our expectation is the full name should be changed, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
The full name is supposed to be changed. So let's see whether it is done or not. Client
Yes.
name
Sam
Sam
Ratan is there.
See, this full name is not changed.
Yes.
Correct. Now, when you are going to create an agreement with this client, in his agreement, the full name it will be show this one.
Okay.
Now, if the agreement is showing this name, do you think that agreement is valid? If that agreement is valid,
No, if it is show full name, then only valid agreement.
in the full name, if it is showing Sam Ratan AP
AP00.
00682, do you think that agreement is valid?
If it's a full name, proper name, then it's valid now, sir.
AP 00682.
That
Can
is the
it
lead
be?
number, sir.
I know that is lead number. What I am asking you, I am asking in the agreement if it is showing this is the full name of the client, is it is
No,
valid? The agreement is
no,
valid or
it's not
not?
valid.
Not
It's not
valid.
valid.
Not valid. In the similar way, this person name is Himani Garg,
Yes.
correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
In the CRM, what it is showing?
Imani.
Himani I.
Imani I.
So now instead of Himani Garg, if we are putting Himani I is the client full name, do you think that agreement is valid?
No,
Not
sir.
valid.
So that is the necessity. We need to check about the client details before entering their details into the
CRM.
correct. In case if someone added the details as lead, now make a practice that you should anytime whenever you have any doubt put it as a lead. Till the time it is as lead, it won't reflect the client full name. Can you see?
Yes.
Here full name is not provided,
Yes.
right? The full name is not given here. Okay. So when you are adding a contact as a lead, it won't reflect the full name. Now, it is the responsibility of the sales team. Whoever is communicating with that particular lead, on the very first call, they need to update it as the proper first name and last name. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shailaja?
I am listening, sir.
Yeah. Can you help me to make this clear to the other people in their own language? I mean in Telugu?
No, everyone understanding English.
It is okay. But still, I want you to clarify this.
About contact, right? You are asking.
Only this part. Why it is important to verify
Yeah,
and how it is
because
going to affect.
no. ఐ మీన్ ఇఫ్ నో ఏదైనా రిఫండ్ కేసెస్ ఉంటే సో అప్పుడు క్లయింట్ అగ్రిమెంట్ బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ప్రొసీడ్ అవుతాం కాబట్టి నేమ్స్ మెయిల్ ఐడీస్ ఇవన్నీ క్లియర్గా ఉంటే అది వ్యాలిడ్ ఉంటుంది అనేసి అని మనం చెప్తున్నాం.
True, sir. True, ma'am. Got it.
సో
Anybody
have to be
బిఫోర్
have
యాడింగ్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ మనం లింక్డ్ఇన్ త్రూ కానీ ట్రూ కాలర్ త్రూ కానీ ఫేస్బుక్ త్రూ కానీ వాళ్ళ ఫుల్ నేమ్స్ తీసుకుంటే బెస్ట్ అనేసి అని చెప్తున్నాడు ఆయన.
anybody have any question? Sure. Can we go to the next topic?
సార్
Okay.